Hello everyone, welcome Lead at Home. Yesterday we have started Unit 3rd in Politics, third chapter, that is Democracy and Diversity. In that we have seen about overview of the chapter. Then we have seen a story from Mexico Olympic. After that we have seen differences, similarities and divisions in the society. Then we have seen about the origins of social differences. Now we will move towards the next. Please student, put your textbook in front of you while watching this video and be ready with your pen, notebook and pencil. Overlapping and cross-cutting differences. Now we will see about overlappings and cross-cutting differences in society. Social divisions takes place when some social difference overlaps with other differences. Means social differences take place when some social difference overlaps with other differences. The difference between the black and whites becomes a social division in the US because the blacks tend to be poor, homeless and discriminated against. Means example has given of US, in that the differences between the black and the white. Then in the US, the blacks tend to be poor. Now meaning of tend means to take care of, poor, homeless and discriminated against. Means in the US, blacks considered as poor, homeless and discriminated. In our country, Dalit tend to be poor and landless. Even in our country, in India, Dalit also considered as to be poor and landless. They often face discrimination and injustice. Means Dalit faces a lot of face discrimination and injustice. As similar in the US, situation of this kind produce social divisions, and this situation produce social divisions in the society. When one kind of social difference become more important than the other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities, and in this way that group considered they are different from others. Now we will move towards the next paragraph, and the next paragraph is in this way. The social differences cross cut one another. It is difficult to pit one group of people against the other, and these social differences cut among the people. Means people are divided into one another. Means some people divide into one group and other people will divide into another group. It means that groups that share a common interest on one issue are likely to be in different side on a different issue. Means it create a common interest in one group against the other group. Consider the cases of Northern Ireland and the Netherlands. Means example of these cases in the country Northern Ireland and in the Netherlands. Both are predominantly Christian but divided between Catholics and Protestant. Means in these countries people are divided into two groups. Means they are same, means they their caste Christian, but they divide into two groups, that is Catholics and Protestant. Now meaning of predominantly means having superiority in power. Now we will move in Northern Ireland. Class and region overlaps with each other, means in the Northern Ireland caste and religion overlaps with each other. If you are Catholic, you are also more likely to be poor, and you may have suffered a history of discrimination, means people belongs to Catholic community, they will be suffered history of discrimination, means they are considered as a poor. In the Netherlands, class and religion tend to cut across each other, but in Netherlands, caste and religion tend to cut across each other. Catholics and Protestants are about equally likely to be poor and rich, means in the same way in these Catholics and Protestant are to be equally like to be poor or rich. The result is that Catholics and Protestant have had a conflict in Northern Ireland, and the result is that Catholic and Protestants have had a conflict in between them in Northern Ireland, while they do not do so in Netherlands, but that do not do in this way in the Netherlands. Overlapping social differences create possibilities of deep social divisions and tensions. These overlapping means these social differences create possibilities of deep social divisions and tensions. Cross-cutting social differences are easier to accommodate, and these cross-cutting social differences are easier to accommodate. Now here on this page, uh, two poems has given. See here, they mention read these two poems by Dalit writers. Then question is there, why do you think the poster is titled Hidden Apartheid? Now we will move towards these two poems. See here, the first heading has given Hidden Apartheid. One day, someone dug up a 20th century city and ends on this observation. Here's an interesting inscription. This water tap is open to all castes and religions. What could it have meant? That this society was divided? That some were high while some were low? Well, alright, then this city deserved burying. Why did you call it the machine age? Seems like the stone age in the 20th century. And the poem has written by Daya Pawar. Now we will read the next poem. This poem is about mother. Mother, dark, slender body. This was my mother. Drugged in the woods for sticks from morning on. All will brothers sitting, waiting, watching for her. And if she didn't sell the wood, all of us slept hungry. Vaman Nimbalkar, the writer of this poet. Now we will see the glossary is there. Homogeneous society. Now meaning of homogeneous society means a society that has similar kind of people, especially where there are no significant ethics differences. And meaning of migrant means anybody who shift from one region or country to another region within a country or to another country, usually for work or other economic opportunities. Now we will move on to the next page. On this page, let us revise has given. Just we will read what has given here. Imrana is a student of class 10, section B. She and all her classmates are planning to help students of class 11 in giving a farewell party to the student of class 12. Last month, she played for section team in a game of Kho against the team of class 10, section A. She goes back home in a bus and joins all the students from various classes. They all come from Trans Yamuna area in Delhi. Back home, she often joins her elder sister Naima in complaining against her brother who does no work at home, while the sisters are asked to help their mother. Her father is looking for a good match for her elder sister from a Muslim family with a similar economic status from their own biradari. Now here, one question is given for you student. Can you list the various kinds of identities Imrana has? Means what are the identities are given about Imrana in this paragraph? Just you identified that and write here. Just one has given at home she is a girl. Now you have to write other answer here. Now we will move towards the next point in this topic, that is politics of social divisions. Now what are the politics of social divisions in the society? We will see now. Here first question, two questions are given here. How do these social divisions affect politics? What does politics do to these social divisions? Now answer is there. At first sight, it would appear that the combination of politics and social divisions is very dangerous and explosive. Now at the first sight means when we see that at first time, it would appear that the combination of politics and social divisions is very dangerous. Democracy involves competition among various political parties. Means in democracy involves competition among various political parties. Means we will see in democracy lot of different parties are there. Means state party, national party, and among them various political competition is also there. Their competitions tends to divide in society, and as a result their competition tends to divide any society. If they start competing in terms of some existing social divisions, it can make social divisions into political divisions, and that result in this way, competing in terms of some existing social divisions, it can make social divisions into political divisions and lead to conflict, violence, or even disintegration of a country. And that competition lead to conflict, violence, and even disintegration in our country. This has happened in many countries, means already this has happened in many countries in the world. Now we will move towards the next point, and the next point is a range of outcomes. Now what are the range of outcomes of these political or social divisions? Let's we see now. Take the case of Northern Ireland that we referred to above, means earlier we have seen that this region of the United Kingdom has been for many years the site of a violent and bitter ethno-political conflict, means in the Northern Ireland. It is the region of United Kingdom has been many years the site of conflict and bitterness in their ethno political conflict was there. Its population is divided, sorry, its population is divided into two major sects of Christianity, means their population is divided into two sections. First one is 35% of are Protestants, while 44% are Roman Catholics. Means they are belong to same community, but in that two groups are there. 53% are Protestant and 44% are Roman Catholic. The Catholics were represented by nationalist parties who is demanded that Northern Ireland to be unified with the Republic of Ireland, and Catholics were represented by nationalist parties who demanded that Northern Ireland be unified with the Republic of Ireland. A predominantly Catholic country, means unified with the Republic of Ireland, a predominantly Catholic country. The Protestants were represented by Unionists who wanted to remain with the UK, but the Protestant want that to remain with the UK, which is predominantly Protestant. Hundreds of civilians, militants, and security forces were killed in the fight between Unionists and nationalists, and between the security forces were killed in the fight between Unionists and nationalists, and between the security forces of the UK and the nationalist, means hundred of civilians, militant, and security forces were killed in fight between two parties, that is unionist and nationalist, and between the security forces of the UK and the nationalist. It was only in 1998 that the UK government and the nationalist. Now we will move towards the next page. Reached a peace treaty after which the latter suspended their armed struggle, means in 1998, in between UK government and the nationalist reached a peace treaty after which the latter suspended their armed struggle. In Yugoslavia, the story did not have a happy ending. In the same way, in Yugoslavia, the story did not have a happy ending. Political competition along religious ending ethnic lines led to the disintegration of Yugoslavia into 6 independent countries, and these political competition along religious and ethnic lines led to the disintegration of Yugoslavia into 6 independent countries. Such examples led some people to conclude that politics and social divisions must not be allowed to mix. And these are examples led some people conclude that politics and social divisions must not be allowed to be mixed. They think that it would be best if there are no social divisions in any country, and in this way they think that it would be best if there are no social divisions in any country. If social divisions do exist in a country, they must never be expressed in politics. And if the social divisions exist in that country, they must never be expressed in politics. Now we will move towards the next paragraph. At the same time, every expression of a social division in politics does not lead to such disasters. And at the same time, every expression of social divisions in politics does not lead to such disasters. We have already seen that social divisions of one kind or another exist in most countries of the world. Means already we have seen that about the social divisions of one kind or another exist in most countries of the world. Wherever they exist, these divisions are reflected in politics, and definitely these divisions are reflected in politics. In a democracy, it is only natural that political parties would talk about these divisions, make different promises to different communities, look after due to representation of various communities, and make policies to redress the grievances of the disadvantaged communities. Means in a democracy, it is the only natural that political parties would talk about the different divisions, different promises to different communities, and then they look after due to representation of various communities and make policies to redress the grievances of the disadvantaged among communities. Social divisions affect voting in most countries, and social divisions affect voting in the most countries. In the election time, we will see people from one community tend to prefer some party more than others. Means people from one community tend to prefer some party more than others. Means people from same community they will prefer different party. In many countries there are parties that focus only one unit community, and in many countries there are parties that focuses only on one community. Yet all this does not lead to disintegration of the country, and in this way all this does not lead to disintegration of that country. Now we will see the next part in the next video, but before that we will see one story has given about these social differences on the worldwide. Now that we will see now.